Hey, ready to explore? In the morning, Elena explores the playground and giggles as she finds a fluffy bunny under the rustling tree. At noon, in the science lab, Elena and her bunny giggle as they discover snow is just frozen water. In the playroom, they smile and learn about ice, frost, and how melting makes water splash and shimmer. In the afternoon at Wind Meadow, Elena cheerfully builds a snowman while snowflakes twirl and dance in the wind. In the lunchroom, Elena thinks happily. Does the snowman have adventures in the clouds? At night, in her bedroom, Elena snuggles in her pajamas, dreaming of snowy wonders with a magical, sleepy smile. See you soon.
Thank you very much.